ko lang ng face. Kaka-brush ng teeth. Fresh na fresh. Kaka-brush ng hair? Hindi. Kaya brush na natin yung hair. Morning, everybody! Get ready with me naman ito. Kung last time get unready with me, ito get ready with me. Because tayo ay hindi. Guys, mamaya nasa fine dining restaurant ako. Ay! Taray. Diba? No, totoo guys, mamaya. Mamaya! Dinner. Maging, mamaya nasa fine dining restaurant na ko. Tapos, oh my gosh, nahulog naman. Guys, gawin ko na kayang English version. We are in a fine dining restaurant. And when the bread fell, ganyan. Okay. So, let's start with skincare. Woo! Skincare. This one, I'm using this. I actually don't know how to use it. There. So this is a toner. A toner. Daming energy siya eh. So that is a toner. Yeah. Next, what do we use, everybody? What do we use? We're going to use a we're going to use that anyway. This is a get ready with me. Because why not coconut? Okay. Tayo ay nasa guys, bakit na LSS ako dyan? Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Hello, A. A supported me during my PBB days. Thank you so much. Now, guys, don't forget to do under eye cream. I always use under eye cream. Kasi, pinsan, mahirap matulog. So, that's under eye. Like that. Guys, wala akong music actually. Yeah, I'm just talking to myself essentially. That's not what live streams are. Okay. Oh wow. You saw me at Ate Celine's Instagram. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. I love Celine's makeup on me. She's the best makeup. Yes. Where did my moisturizer go? It's over here. So, yeah, excited. Yeah, yung sing ilong ko. Actually, pimple to. This is actually a pimple. Nung nasa Canada pa ako, hanggang ngayon, andun pa rin. Ayaw talaga mag-heal yung pimple nito. So, edi wag. Hi, Louie! Hi, Day! Hi, Day! Hello, good morning sa inyong lahat. Saan ba kayo? Nasa work ba kayo? Hi, Jaja! Happy birthday to you! And a shout out from Masbate. Wow. Cool. Okay. There you go. Konting makeup na lang tayo for today. Wow. Day off mo. Wow. Shout out from Pampanga. Guys, sabi ni Jenna. Hi Jenna. Sabi ni Jenna, malapit na naman din ang second anniversary ng Sunshine. Exciting. Yay. How will we celebrate this year? How will we celebrate? So, I'm gonna try something new with my makeup today, guys. I'm using some new products na hindi ko na used before. You love the volume of my hair? Talaga? Oh, thank you. I used to think my hair was super flat, but now it's getting better. Wow! Rosemary Store. Dahil dyan, may gift si Rosemary Store. Kala niya naman si Bini Aya. Parang biro lang naman yan. Grabe naman kayo magbiro sa atin. So, we're just gonna do super light makeup. Fresh lang. Fresh. Ganon. Paano daw? Paano? How will it be fresh? I'm gonna put a little bit concealer here. Here din. Okay. Tapos na. Eme. So, we're gonna blend it out like this. Hi, Jaja Colleen. Happy birthday to you. May asawa ba ako? Ano naman? What if maging Bini siya? Hindi ko kaya. Eme. Guys, I keep saying eme. Hindi ko napapigilan yung pagka-eme-eme ko. Oh my gosh. Parang buhay ko naman ang eme. Wow. How's that? Tada! Nag-blend ba? You know what I'm super loving though, guys? Lately, I've been super loving yung mga anong tawag doon? Yung parang ganyan yung foundation. Ganyan. Puff ba yan? Thank you! Oh my God! Captain's Quarters! Welcome back! Cushion, yeah! Ayan! Cushion! Ang talino nyo! Yeah. So, I like cushion. So, after that, concealer lang ako sa under eyes. Tapos, after that, what am I gonna do? Good question. We are going to oh, powder for oily skin. Recommended powder. Oily skin kasi ako. I really love stroke. So, kapag loose powder, yung strokes na pink, ganda. Itong rose na setting powder. Strokes, baka naman. Super ganda. I super love a lot of stroke stuff. Even yung pen, yung pangkilay na pen. Super ganda. Pero other powders that I use, oh my God. Saan na lahat ang makeup ko? I also like the Makeup Forever na ito. Actually, a lot of Makeup Forever. Kahit ano dyan na Makeup Forever. Usually, ang ganda. Ganda talaga ng Makeup Forever. So, it's like that. I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Makeup Forever, meron silang Makeup Forever, meron silang parang powder na white siya tingnan. White siya tingnan, pero pang mattifying. OM to the G. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Share ko lang. Okay. So, now I'm gonna put some So, ayan. Guys, I'm going somewhere exciting tonight. So, kaano-ano. Wow! Gusto ko yung mga Pinoy ngayon. Kaano, tapos to the power of 2. Kaano-ano. Mo po ba siya? Wala. Nothing. Kapangalan lang. Kapangalan. Yeah. Okay, Jaja ready. Sabihin ko na. Hi, Jaja Colleen. Kita, tama ba? Happy birthday. God bless and ingat palagi. Ayan. Tama ba? Kapag Q sa Pinas. Ooh. Nakita mo ako sa spelling bee. Wow. Guys, yes! Oh my God, I have like 5. 5? No, I have a lot. Maganda. Yung mga aso galit. Bakit sila galit? Polo! Maggie! Bakit sila ganyan? Wow! Thank you so much, Shylex Love. I also love you, Shylex Love 05. Wow. Kamusta kami ni Sab? Me and Sab are good. Medyo busy lang din si Sab. Nagsa-school lang. Si Sab. But I see her every now and then sa mga ABS events. And, yeah. Wow. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Andito na si Maggie. Nawala na si Maggie. Advice po sa makeup. For oily skin, wala talaga. For me talaga, it's really about, you really just have to have oil blotting sheets with you. Makatulong din yan. Wow, Ellen Galore thank you so much. Oh my God, I feel so loved. Thank you so. Thank you very so. Okay. So, ayan. So, next, kailangan ko ay blush on. Blush on. So, kung wala ako sa showbiz, thank you, Tonette. Thank you, Day. Wow. Nakakita ba kami ni Angie? Hindi naman. Not super. Thank you, Tonette. Thank you, Day. Wow. Nakakita ba kami ni Angie? Hindi naman. Not super. Thank you, Tonette. Thank you, Day. Wow. Nakakita ba kami ni Angie? Hindi naman. Not super. Thank you, Tonette. Thank you. Yeah. May konting blush on na. So, there we go. Guys, I'm kind of excited para sa bagong season ngayon din ng PBB, ng Celebrity na may GMA tsaka ABS. Hi, Louie pala. Sorry. Hi, Louie. Thank you so much. I always like to put blush on my nose because, alam niyo guys, kasi nung nasa Canada ako, kapag super lamig sa Canada, diba? Na medyo namumula na yung ilong mo, yung ganyan. So, parang, ayun. So, doon ako napansin nung nasa Canada ako na parang, ay, parang cute na medyo pink yung nose. Yung ganyan. So, cute. Next, ang gagawin ko ay, para sa akin, I always love to put some... Hi! Thank you so much to everyone that's sending gifts. Sorry, hindi ko nakita. But thank you so... Basahin ko ba Arnetta yesterday? I was at the TJ Monterde concert the day before. When was TJ's concert? The day 3 ng concert ni TJ. I was in Arnetta. I love the concert! I super love you. Ba't ko... May nabasa akong I love you na message dito. Tapos sabi ko, I love the concert. Tapos nabasa ko yung I love you comment. Tapos sabi ko, I super love you. Kaya ba ba siya? I super loved the concert. I super loved the concert. It was so nice. I do that all... Yeah! Guys, ang weird! Alam mo, I did that also one time. Diba, recently nag-guest ako sa Kapamilya chat. Tapos, after nun, nagtanong lang sila ng mga Valentine's Day questions. Tapos, sabi nila, it's parang something like, what's something about love? Yung ganon. Something about love na unexpected or something ganyan. Tapos, parang sabi ko lang na, yung sagot ko was like, oh, that love is easy, ganyan. Kasi totoo naman, love is hard. Love is the most difficult thing. Diba? They say, sinasabi nila, love is one of the most difficult things that you'll ever have to do. So, sumasagot ako, sabi ko, yeah, that love is hard, love is difficult. Tapos, siguro bigla ako nag-zone out. Kasi sabi ko, siguro that love is hard. No, that love is easy. Oh, diba? Ginawa ko naman ulit. Siguro that love is easy. Kasi I think work is super hard. Work is one of the hardest things that you'll ever... Work? Sorry, I mean love. Sobrang lutang lagi. Di ko alam kung bakit. Bigla ako, tapos tumawa lang ako. Sabi ko, dahil my love is my work. Pero for the lutang si siya eh. So, yun lang. Wala lang. In love sa trabaho. Okay. Totoo yan. Parang in love nga ako sa trabaho. Okay, there. So, I said this like 5 times, but I'm so excited. Kasi mamaya ay nasa fine dining restaurant ako. Excited ako sa fine and sa dining. Kasi ako pala yung fine. Eme. Natawa ako, guys. Okay. Next, kilay. Kilay. Alam ko kung bakit kilay. Because they're so killer. Mamamatay mo sa tulis ng kilay ko. Eh? Okay. Guys, parang ayoko na mag-joke. Kasi parang nakakahiya jokes ko. Hindi na pala nag-hit jokes ko dahil. Eh di, wag na lang. Eh di, never na lang ako mag-joke. Ever again. Oh my gosh. Ang OA ka na. I like this lip tint. April, noted dyan ah. There we go. Hindi lang ako muna mag-mascara. Ganito lang, fresh lang. Yung parang, ay, salamat. Kakagising ka lang eh. Ganito lang. Have naman. Have ba yung jokes ko? 21 minutes. I've been there for 21 minutes. Baliw. I'm going crazy. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I don't trust you. Wali. Recommended sunscreen. I bought a bunch of these in Japan. Biore. Biore! Cause I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. You know what I sang yesterday? So yesterday, I was in a singing mood, so I was singing some songs. Tapos yesterday, I sang, na 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 na. Diba? By ano? Jessa Zaragoza. Na 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 na. Bakit na 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 na. Okay, let's fix my hair. Oh, boogs. Oh, diba? Biglang may curtain bangs. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, diba? Ganda. Ganda-gandahan, no? Yeah! Tapos, ano din sa baba? There we go. I'm using the Dyson. But I lost the filter thing at the bottom. Ay! Mainit! And chatting. I'm done. Bakit pa ba? What's the lyrics? Bakit pa ba? iiwan? Bakit? What's the, ano next? Bakit pa ba iiwan? Iniwan? Bakit pa ba? You gonna send me flowers? Alam mo ba address ko, Chipones? Bakit? Bakit malungkot kasi yung sa akin? Bakit? Bakit ba nakilala? Bakit? Yan kaya nga. Malungkot si ate girl eh. Ginawan iniwan. Heartbroken pa ba? Bakit pa ba nakita? Bakit ba nakilala? Ayan. Sasaktan ako ang puso ko'y ay iiwan at sasaktan. Yeah, bakit pa ba? Okay, isa pa. Bakit pa ba nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan, kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan. Ayan. Okay, isa pa. Bakit mo ba? Bakit? Pa ba? Ano ba? Parang naano ako. Bakit pa ba nakita? Bakit ba nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan. Ayan. Grabe naman, hindi naman sa hindi ako fan. It's just, I know the lyrics. I know the song. Kung hindi ako fan, edi hindi ko alam yung kanta. Diba? Hindi ko lang alam yung lyrics kasi it's Tagalog. So it's not something that I learned the lyrics to. Pero I knew the song. Bakit pa ba nakita? Bakit aalala? Kung ang puso ko iiwan na lang agad. Alam niyo guys, OMG guys, ito nga. Mommy ko, she's a big fan of Jessa Zaragoza. So feeling ko, so sobrang naging fan siya, kamukha na kami ni Jada. Ang dami kasi nagsasabi, na kamukha kami ni Jada. So yun pala yung dahilan. Super ganda siya sa personal. Parang kung ano yung mukha niya sa picture, ganun naman din siya sa personal. Guys, you should watch Social Climbers on Netflix, February 27. Okay. Anyway, guys, I think it's time for me Okay, I'm so lost. But anyway, sorry, bigla akong nag-check ng something sa phone ko. But anyway, guys, so thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so for joining me this morning. So, yeah. I will smile. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me this morning. I will see you guys on my next live stream. Sana naman soon. So, akala ko may na-vision. Hindi, chinecheck ko lang phone ko. Kakatawa naman kayo. Anyway, thank you so guys. I love you so. And I will see you guys so next time. Wow. Guys, actually may idea din ako. Gawin natin kanta ang nasa fine dining restaurant. Ganito. Kumain tayo sa labas, tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Anong ginawa nila? Nahulog ang bread. Ano ba? Anong hulog? Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Boom. Oh, ganyan kasi dapat. Or gusto mo feeling? Or more rock. Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Nahulog ang na. Anyway. Okay. Bye guys. Mamama and a chup chup. A little more there, a little chup there. You put it together, a more chup chup. Okay. Bye-bye. See you guys. Oh my God. Wait guys. Sabi dito. End live? Question mark. Get 20 more new followers during this live and you'll reach stage 6 in my live journey. Ano bang ibig sabihin yan? I just need 6 people to follow me. What is my live streaming journey? Ano to? Wow. Ano bang ibig sabihin to? I don't understand how to play this live streaming game. There's a live streaming game, guys. I don't know how to play that one. Ayan, anyway. O, siya na, te. Bye-bye, Momo and Chup Chup. I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much. Ayan, okay na. Pwede na ako mag-end. Nakuha ko na yung 6 followers ko. I love you all. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. And nakuha ko na yung 6 followers ko. I love you all. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much. And nakuha ko na yung 6. Everyone, thank you so much.